How many people have ever used one of these? Ever even seen one of these? This probably is kind of a new thing. Now on the back side, that's just the reference seasons, moon phases. We'll get to moon phases next week, okay? So that back side's just for reference. Yes, you actually have to use this thing. Now, we know where the sun's overhead at on the equinox. We know where the sun's at on the winter solstice. We know where it's at on the summer solstice. But do you know where it is on July 25th? No, not off the top of your head, and that's why you use this analemma. Basically, this shape, if you went out every day at noon, local mean solar time, noon, high noon, and you took a picture of the sun in the sky from the same exact spot, and you put all 365 pictures together, it would actually trace out that pattern in the sky. Cool, huh? And if next time like when we watch the moon video, I'll try to, if somebody reminds me, I'll pull up pictures of the animal, like people have done that, a timeline for that. Okay? Because sometimes it's higher in the sky, sometimes it's lower, and then like it starts like summer solstice, and then equinox, and then winter solstice, and then back to the equinox, and then back to the summer. It traces out this whole figure eight. So every other day of the year, you got to use this to figure out what latitude the sun would be directly overhead at. And so we are going to work January 25th together. The first one's January 25th. So I'm going to draw my Earth. I'm going to draw my equator. And we are going to do it for Dodge City. So I'm going to put 37.75 degrees north. We're in Dodge City. Now, it's a little tricky to read this analemma, so I want you to find January 25th, and then you go across to the left, and that will tell you the latitude for that day. So everybody find January 25th, and tell me where the sun is directly overhead at on January 25th. 19 north of the equator or south of the equator? And do you see on the analemma the difference between north and south? Like find your equator on your analemma, and that's going to cross through roughly your equinoxes. And so if it's higher than that, it's north. If it's lower than that, it's south. Okay, that is what you put in the first space on that top group. If you notice, the bottom group of dates is exactly the same as the top group of dates. On the top, all you're putting is where the sun is. All you're doing is reading the analemma. We're going to jump down to the bottom where it says January 25th. Then it says use the analemma and calculate the noon sun angle for Dodge City. Okay. Well, what is our change of latitude now? 37.75, right? And then I got to add 19 degrees to that, so 47, so 56. Oh, what did I do? I don't even know what I did. I don't know what I did. How did I do that? I bumped it. All right. What's my change in latitude? 37.75, 47.75, 56.75. What's 90 minus 56.75? Now, on some dates, is the sun going to be up here? And and you would subtract those numbers, and on other dates, it's gonna be down here. That's why I tell you draw a picture, because it gives you more of a visual of where the sun is with relation to. Yeah. Now, do you have to go home, do this all, and bring it back all finished Monday? No, Monday's a work day, okay? Monday's a work day. We're going to treat it as such. So if you're sitting here right now going, I have no clue what is going on, that's okay. Put it away, enjoy your weekend, come back, we'll talk about it again on Monday. I don't expect right out of the gate. No, we'll figure it out on Monday, all right? Okay, Ashley, you can get hard copies from me on Monday too if you want, so no worries there. And have a good weekend. I will see you on Monday, all right?